Koto mapupyo na Imusagon kalu na itorosero yapya sule ya Apedorosio ka Itunga koteso kane oro soroti Imusagon kanyango na lomtos kosoroti kosodi che ikany karamoja. Epolo kita Adieket na jai kina commissioner ziwongono toma Maria Mwanga diange sabu Eruta Imusagon na yare luko soroti kosodi che yare luko karamoja kanua mamusu na aje na anutu.
Both of them, the evidence is not sufficient to find that UPDF soldiers were responsible for those deaths. So we needed a post-mortem report to tell us the cause of death. If somebody is already so ill, it's difficult to believe that it's the UPDF soldiers who killed this person. This operation was necessitated by they needed to recover guns in the wrong hands. Taking a human life is a very serious matter. So we need to know who the culprit is. And both of them were dismissed. The one you found us hearing, it came up for first hearing. And we have adjourned the case for further hearing.
Imusagon tomolwe saitos kese bait abong na Adieket kanua pupyo ekaulo. Josephine Akelo ngesa polo kinto ne ya piesule ya Apedorosio ka Itunga koteso.
We had a panel tribunal hearing that sat at Soroti Regional Office. It was hearing both matters from Soroti Regional Office and Moruto. When we started tribunal hearing, we've been having only a single commissioner sitting at the regional office to hear cases of human rights violations. But from last 2 weeks ago, we've been having a panel tribunal with the chair taking lead and 3 other members of the commission.
So ibore national mikitilo longo na dumuna voice na nesibe pui lawyers lolo jasi lemi mina dumuna chipaka lawyer level bon konye lolo dumi lawyers wongo no kere jasine ludo voice sunyaki anyana ara ai meeting itani seta tipete Imusagon sunyaki na ikonai Itunga. So amitido ngobe ajuduleta kanu nesi jai kile human rights alusta kwenye arrival eja improvement kwa na otome jai kina tatika siwe motoma kwa.
Kanuka TV East, Rebecca Mongin, Koibuga, Soroti.